If you need to access your Namecheap account but you're not quite sure where to start, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to log in to your Namecheap account step by step so you can get in fast and without any confusion. Whether you're checking your domains, managing hosting, or updating account settings, this process is simple once you know where to click. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the official Namecheap website. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the sign in option there, and that is the button you want to click to begin the login process. After clicking sign in, Namecheap will take you to the login page where you'll need to enter your account details. In the first field, type in your Namecheap username. Make sure you enter it correctly, especially if you use a specific username instead of an email address. Next, move down to the password field and enter your password carefully. If you're using a password manager, this is a good time to double check that the saved login information is correct. Once both fields are filled out, take one more quick look to make sure everything is accurate. Then click the sign in button to log into your Namecheap account. If your details are correct, you should be taken directly into your dashboard where you can manage your domains, services, and account settings. If you run into any issues, just make sure your username and password are entered properly and that you're on the official Namecheap site before signing in. And that's how you log in to your Namecheap account in just a few steps. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.